Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Compx TLAP037 3/8 adjustable pin. This item is used in a multi-drawer gang lock installation where these slide and install into the lock bar. One per drawer is required. Okay. The pin is used to limit travel of the lock bar. You're going to have these installed in your lock bar so that they are traveling vertically and limiting, whether or not the drawer can be used. So that's crucial. To have plenty of these. One per drawer is what you need. 3/8 is the size that they're giving on that, and that's certainly going to be a reference to the projection of the pin itself. Okay. It's really measured here. Here's your 3/8. Okay. Any questions on the Compx TLAP037 gang lock adjustable pin or any other Compx product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.